Now, children, we are going to learn dividing in a given ratio. This is again a very important topic in ratio, that is how to divide in equal parts or in two parts or in given ratio. How do we do that? We have to learn the method. The method is given by a set formula. Now, if we have to divide into two parts, then we have to divide, suppose S in the ratio A is to B. Then first part, that is the first part, will be given by A upon sum of the ratios A plus B into the sum S, which is to be divided. I hope you understood. And second part is given by B upon A plus B, that is second ratio, upon A plus B, sum of the ratios, into S. I hope you understood the method. Now, the same method could be extended to three ratios or three parts. Now, dividing P, suppose, into three parts in the ratio x is to y is to z. Then first part is x upon x plus y plus z into P. Second part becomes equal to y upon x plus y plus z into P. And third part will be z upon x plus y plus z into P. So that is how you are going to do the division of different parts in the given ratios. And this could be extended to n number of ratios, but of course in your exercise you will be getting either A is to B, or that is two parts, or three parts like x is to y is to z. Now we'll make use of this in the exercise. How to do question number 3 we will see. Now children, we learned how to divide in different parts a given sum. Now same is the question here, that is question says divide the following rupees 2400 in the ratio 4 is to 5 is to 11. So amount is 2400. I have taken it as A. Just an arrow I have made there. And A is to B is to C is your ratio 4 is to 5 is to 11. Now, what is the first step? First step is add all the ratios. I have added 4 plus 5 plus 11 equals to 20. Now, first part is A upon sum of the ratio into the amount, which is to be divided. So, A is 4 upon 20 into 2400. It becomes 0 gets cancelled. 2 and 240 if you cancel, you will get 120. 120 into 4 becomes 480. Hence, the first part will be 480. Now, what is the second part? Second part is equals to B, because second ratio is B. B upon sum into A. Now B is 5, sum is 20, into A is the amount 2400. Now if you cancel 10 and 10 here, and 2 and 240 will go by 120, and 5 into 120 becomes 600. Hence the second part is 600. Now comes the third part. Now for third part, the formula will be C upon sum of the ratio into A. C is this. So C is equals to 11 upon 20 into A. A is 2400, we all know. Now again 0 gets cancelled, and 240 will be cancelled by 2 giving you 120. And now 11 into 120 you multiply orally, you will get 1320. That is rupees 1320. Therefore, 2400 could be divided in the ratio 4 is to 5 is to 11, as the first part will be 480, second part 600, and third part 1320. And look children, you can always verify your answer. If you add all these three, you should get the exact amount. So if I am adding 480 plus 600 plus 1320, I am getting 2400. You can do it orally. 0 0 is 0. 8 plus 2 is 10. Here it is 1, carry over. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 plus 3 is 40. So 4 it will be, and 1 plus 1 becomes 2. So it is 2400 is the total amount. That means our division is perfectly alright. Now children, I am going to do question number 6 for you. Now question says the ratio of number of boys to the number of girls in a school with 840 students was 7:5. Now in the new session the number of boys increased by 20 and the ratio of boys to the girls changed to 6:5. Calculate the number of new girls. Now I hope you understand the question. We'll start from the first sentence of the question itself. Ratio of number of boys to number of girls is given to be 7:5. I hope that is very clear. And total number of students in the school are 840. Now we already know we can calculate number of boys and number of girls by division of ratios, that is add the ratio 7 plus 5, that is 12. So the first part, that is number of boys, becomes 7 upon 12 into 840, and 12 sevens are 840, so 7 sevens are 49, so 490 is the number of boys. Now number of girls will be 5 upon 12 into 840. Now if you simplify, 12 sevens are 840, 12 into 70 is 840, 12 sevens are 84. So 5 into 70 becomes 350. Now number of boys increased by 20. So increased number of boys now becomes 490 plus 20, that is 510. This much is clear. First we have calculated number of boys, now we have calculated number of girls. Now there is some increase in the number of boys. How much is the increase? Is 490 plus 20, that is 510. Now new ratio of boys is to girls is 6:5. That is given in the question itself. And the number of boys is 510. Now let the number of girls be x. I have assumed to be x. I have not written anywhere, but it is x because we don't know how many girls are now presently there in the new session. So 6 upon 5 is equals to 510 upon x. Now this becomes the equation to be solved. Now solving is by cross multiplication. So obviously 6 into x becomes 6x. 510 into 5 will be on the right hand side. Now x is 510 into 5 upon 6. Now 6, you can cancel 510 by 6. You will be getting 85. 85 into 5 becomes 425. So increased number of girls is 425. Now how many new girls added in the next session will be, original number of girls were 350. So 425 minus 350 equals to 75. So here in this question, you have to understand step by step. Start from the first statement, go on to the last statement. Hence, if you have still any doubt, you may ask. I hope the steps are very clear. I've made it as simpler as possible for you. Even if there is any problem, you may ask in interactive session. I'll definitely make you understand again. So children, now exercise 8.1. I have done one part for question number 1, 2, 3. Then I have done 6th. Okay. So you will try to do now 4, 5, 7 and 1, 2, 3. One part more. So complete up to 7, because 8 onwards these 3 questions we will do in next presentation or next lecture, because that is something different, continued ratio. So next lecture I'll take it up. Complete the exercise up to question number 7.